What is up everybody, welcome to GysticTutorials, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to block emails in Gmail. Let's get into it. So what you need to do is go to your Gmail inbox, mine's already loaded up here, and next what you need to do is find the email address that you would like to block. Okay, so I found this spam email that I don't really even want, so I'm going to get rid of it. Some emails have an unsubscribe button which you can just click. If you click unsubscribe, you'll no longer be on their email list. But if you want to block them for good, what you need to do is go to this triple dot on the top right here, click on that, and then go down to where it says block, and then it will say the username. So just go ahead and just click that. Then it's going to ask you, are you sure if you want to block it? Just click block, and now it is blocked. You do actually have the option to unblock sender. So if you do change your mind in the future, you can, but if not, you can just delete all their emails and you won't be bugged by them anymore. So yeah guys, that was it for this video. I hope this did help you. If it did, please hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you need any help, be sure to leave a comment below and I'll be glad to help out. That is it from me everybody. Have a wonderful day and peace out.